Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday. When? Tuesday the 29th of October 2024. Where? Footpaths on the Oldham Way, off Huddersfield Road and Rochdale Road, Denshaw. What? Working on the Oldham Way and installing waymarker posts and waymarking. After recceing the route, 2 posts were installed and lots of waymarking fixed. Who? 6 volunteers out this week: Ken, Bob, Paul, Kevin, Keith and Mike. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.